In today's video, we are going to explore the different types of foundation and when to use them, and equally not forgetting how those loads transfer safely. So we classify foundations into two types, which are shallow foundations and deep foundations. Shallow foundations are foundations which carry loads just beneath the surface, and for the deep foundation, it takes load deeper down into the soil. We are going to begin by exploring the shallow foundation. So there are basically three types of shallow foundations. We have the first type of shallow foundation, which is the isolated footings. These footings are used when 1. The bearing capacity of the soil is good, 2. When the columns are separate, and 3. When the loads are moderate in a structure. The second type are called the strict footings. For strict footings, they are used when the loads are small, such as a bungalow house. They actually carry the load beneath the load-bearing walls. The next type of shallow foundation is called the raft foundation. This raft foundation covers almost the entire building, and this raft foundation is used under three conditions. 1. The soil has low bearing capacity. 2. For high-rise building. And 3. The loads in the structure needs to be distributed evenly. Foundation type number 2, we have the deep foundations, and basically there are two types of deep foundations. We have 1, we have the pile foundation. We have the well foundation. For the pile foundations, they are slender and long. They are driven deep down into the soil, and they are used when the soil is weak. So primarily, they are used for high-rise buildings, towers, bridges, and when the soil is weak. The next type of foundation is the well foundation. This foundation is like a box structure sunk deep into a well. They are commonly used in bridges and waterfront structures where loads are very high and the soil at the surface is weak. Foundations. If you did find this content helpful, please hit the subscribe button to support this channel. Thank you.